This 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25BHE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, refrigerator, oven, stove-top burner, skylight, CO detector, awning, auxiliary battery, external shower, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25BHE is 6,244 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.